What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Traxxas Max V2, the Arrma Outcast 4S V2.0. I wanted to do this comparison for a while now because I had both trucks for a while, but my Max, I just rebuilt it, so I could do a comparison. Well, not really a comparison. Didn't rebuild this to do a comparison. I rebuilt this because it was a good truck. So then I'm like, well, in the meantime, I can't wait to finish the truck so I can do the Outcast and the Max in the same video. Both vehicles, I love both vehicles. The Max, I mean, when I was running it before previously, this thing was a beast. Now the unfair advantage is because the Max is 6S and this just the 4S system in it. But the Max, I mean, this thing is a tank. It's practically a brand new car. Even though it's old, everything is new except for the differentials, which I need to refresh those also. As for the Outcast, this is straight out the box. Every setting out the box except for the center diff. I got 1 million in center diff. That's all. Or I don't know if I had 1 million or 500. I don't know. Whatever. So we're gonna do a little quick comparison. Now this is the overview. The Max is a little longer, as you can see. Max is a little longer. Height wise, Outcast sits up a little higher. As for the width, the Outcast is a little wider. It's a little wider. Okay, I'm gonna show you inside both vehicles real quick because I want to get to this badge because it's a little warm today, and of course that's stuck. Taking the body off is much harder on the Outcast. Jesus Christ. Okay, let's start off with the Max then. Let's see how hard this is. Dang, I'm in here already. But this is the setup I got in the Max. Mamba X 6S system. Everything else is factory. Finally, I got this open. That is the inside of the Outcast. Both of them running plastic chassis though, which is a good thing. That helps the durability because both vehicles aren't heavy. See, give you that overview. But first up is the Outcast. Whoa. What's wrong with the steering? Got the steering turned all the way down. Let me fix that real quick. Nice and bright out here today, I'll tell you that much. You almost had like you could do a standing still backflip. Let's see if you can. I mean, I put the punch up a little more, it would have pulled that off. Yo, this thing, the handling is awesome on here. Let's see the grass roll. No, 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 and no. Yo, what's up with you? Yo, this thing is real torquey right now. Let me turn it down though. This thing is off the chart. Outcast want to show itself today.
Oh, here we go again.
Oh. Now, I never ran into these trash cans. Give me a break. Okay, let's see. Didn't suffer no damages. Yeah, this thing is a beast. I need to take this to the skate park. I don't do too much at the skate park because I break stuff a lot and don't want to do that. I was almost thinking about putting 6S in this, but this 4S is on point. There's no point of 6S in this car. We got the Notorious and the 8S, 6S. That's the only thing. This don't need 6S. This thing will be a unmanageable monster on 6S though. Untamed beast. If this was 6S. Because some of these, my RCs are unmanageable, unpredictable. Perfect. Yo. Sorry for coughing. Yeah, she's not playing games today. Outcast is not playing games. It seems like it's... Yeah, you're not playing today. I think my Outcast trying to prove itself. Because I like the Max. I think the Outcast trying to win it. Oh, you want to do better than that then. Come on, you little 4S monster. Show me what you got. Not gonna run too long though. It's probably gonna be it, and then I'm pull out the Max because it's kind of hard. Perfect. Whoa. All right, there's one more. This really gonna be just one more. I'm gonna stop after this. Yeah, you showing off. Yo. Yeah, this thing is showing off today, y'all. Definitely showing off. Oh. Yeah, she good. She is good. Back here, if you can see, they got some big rocks around here. It's getting hard for any of my cars to be able to take it. I'm not gonna stop running here. All right, let's pull out the and by the way, this is the park that I run my cars at, because a lot of people ask me where I run. LSA Gimbal, Cheltenham Township Park. Max is starting off strong. We know she can pull off a standing still backflip, but just not on 4S. Cause this got the wide body kit on it, and it also have extenders. Handling them bumps. Okay, you're gonna try to handle it better than the Outcast. Outcast said it's better than you, homie. Yeah, man, I miss my Max. Yo, it's dry. Oh, let me turn that down. The ABC was too high. That thing was ABC. The what is this thing called on here? It was too high. The car was all over the place. This is the Traxxas TM whatever the thing it is. Telemetry, whatchamacallit, what it is. But it keep the car stable, but I don't need it stable. I want it wiry and uncontrollable. Yo. Yo. Okay, you're starting to lose control a little bit more on this loose gravel. Like I said, the Outcast is a little wider, so. But the performance is off the charts. Man, it's going into Badlands. Let's see if we can make it through the Badlands without crashing into a big boulder. The Max is not disappointing. Whoa. I don't know what happened there. You have a little harder time handling grass and gravel than the Outcast, but that's fine. That was not the car's fault. That was all mine. That would have been a nice clean jump if my finger wouldn't slip. Oh yeah, I know it's gonna be a nice one now. Yeah, that came off some sideways stuff, but it was still awesome. This is gonna be my last jump with it, and then I'm gonna tell you my thoughts, which y'all already really know. Because I didn't break nothing, and not to mention, it's hot as hell out here, and I don't want the cars to overheat. We went from rain and cold every day to hot as hell outside. I don't get it, but yeah, I'm back. I'm sitting here looking all pretty. Yo, both these cars literally slammed just now. They were slamming. And it's like, I wish I had more jumps, you know, better jumps and some obstacles to go through. But I swear, you can't go wrong with either vehicle, man. It's all about price, mainly at the end of the day. Now, the Outcast, the price of that, I'm gonna put that at the bottom of the car. This is the Outcast V2, Arrma Outcast 4S V2.5, you know, the one with the center differential, not a slipper. And then you got the wide body Max. I'm gonna put the price at the bottom right there so y'all see the price difference. But at the end of the day, man, both of them, they worth their money. It's worth the money. It's worth the money. And As for the, we're gonna start off with the Max. Max got good handling. The wide Max give the handling that much more, you know what I mean? But it's still, I was having a hard time. I was still having a hard time. I don't know, the tires can't hook up, but they just find maybe some different tire options that work a little better. But the performance of this truck car are all around 10. I can't give it electronic because I added my own, but the all around, this definitely gets a 10. Now we gonna go over here to the Outcast. Outcast handle everything with ease. It's not as durable as the Max, I'm sorry to say, that I had more brakes on this than I did the Max the whole entire time I had the Max, and I had this Max for forever. I just recently put it back on the road though, because the plastics was getting so old and worn. That's why I had it for so long and had to rebuild it, because the plastics were old and worn, and that's bashing after bashing. And you figure, I just was like, it ain't broke, but I'm just gonna refresh the whole thing. That's why it took me so long to run this again. As for this, I had a few brakes on it. And still, it's durable. It's durable. It's just my braking was higher on this truck than the Max. But the Max, I mean, the Outcast 4X V2 gets another all-around 10. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. More coming soon. And I'm out.